But yeah, guys, I was trying to record a video of me dusting off my car of snow. Shout out to this guy.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Oh, good.
Oh. Oh shit, no.
What? Oh, the tree fell. Oh. I ain't even noticed the tree fell, y'all. Yeah. That's crazy, yo. We currently trying to dust off the charger. Ugh. Snow heavy as hell.
So do you want to continue?
Go ahead. So, if y'all haven't guessed, you already know what today's video is about to be. We're going sliding in the snow. If I can get out. I gotta clear my mom's car too. This is great. Sorry, neighbor. Nobody's parked here, so yeah. Let's go, man. Look, in the midst of going to the pit, your boy got a nail in the tire. Right there. Yeah. Man, look at that. Then we got a whole Corvette over here with the super red guts. Yeah. What's the story behind this?
I don't know, I think she was seeing me with my car. And it's like, you know what? She wanted something. She always liked that year of it. But she went and got it.
That's what's up.
Went out way out like Orange County, Virginia. And grabbed it.
That's really good. And then we got the big boy. Oh, the noise over here. Chop chop.
Just noise, man.
You said just noise?
Yeah.
Man, look, I got hella life on them tires. I'm cool.
That's why I ain't gonna cut it off. If you slide, you want to have a little bit on it.
Tires gotta last me a minute. But nah, these tires good though. I slid a whole bunch and they still got hella life on it. So I might gotta get these tires from now on. Them things got like lit. Hey, yo, what the dog doing? Get covered up. Might take some quick photos and stuff, and yeah. It's snow coming out hot, so I gotta hurry up. I just want to show y'all a quick little glimpse of the con snow.